Hello everyone, this is a circle and this circle has a radius of r, and we all know that the area of this circle will be pi r square. So now how this area pi r square comes, today we will look into that and we will find out that we will learn that how this pi r square has come. So for that what we will do is we will take a very small triangle on this circle. Okay, this triangle is so small, the length of this side is dx. Okay, this triangle is so small that this dx is almost equal to 0. That is why this is a triangle. Okay, this is a straight line because this is very small line. Okay, now what I will do is I will bring this triangle down and I will zoom it. Now we will see what is the area of this triangle. Okay, first of all, what will be the height of this triangle? The height of this triangle will be same as the radius of this circle. Okay, so the height of this triangle is the radius of this circle and the base of this triangle is this dx. Okay, because this dx is very small, that is why I can take it as a straight line. Okay, so what will be the area of this triangle dA? So dA is the area of this triangle. This will be half into base into height. Okay, base is dx and height is r. So this is the area of this triangle. Now if I want to calculate the area of this circle, so what I have to do is I have to add all the triangles on this circle. Okay, so I will add up all the triangles. So this is triangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Likewise I will take all the triangle on the circumference of this circle. Okay, and I will add all those triangles and that will give me the area of this circle. So we call this process as a integration. So ultimately the area of circle will be what? Area of circle will be the integration of this area of this single triangle. Okay, so what is the area of circle? This is the integration of this dA. Okay, if I will integrate this dA, it will give me the area of this circle. Now integration has a limit. How I should integrate it? I will start from this and I will go all the way through this place. Okay, so I have to add up all the triangles which are on the circumference of this circle, because this dx is the circumference. It will move through this circumference. Okay, so what will be the value of the x when I will start from this place? Because dx is almost 0, so here the value of x will be 0. And when I will go through all this place and I will reach here, the value of this x will be 2 pi r, because the length of this circumference is 2 pi r. Okay, so the area of circle will be integration of dA, but limit will be from 0 to 2 pi r. Okay, now I will put the value of dA here. Okay, because this is the dA. Okay, so instead of dA I will put now half r dx. Okay, so what is the area? Area is integration from 0 to 2 pi r half r dx. Now this half and r is constant, so it can come out of integration. Okay, so it will be half r integration 0 to 2 pi r dx. Okay, now we all know that integration of dx is x. So it will be half r will be as it is multiplied by x, because integration of dx is x. Okay, now the limit will be from 0 to 2 pi r. So this is 0 to 2 pi r. Okay, now I will put the values of limit inside. So it will become half r multiplied by upper limit minus lower limit. So this is upper limit is 2 pi r minus lower limit is 0. Okay, so 2 pi r minus 0 is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay, now I can cancel 2 with 2. So what is there written left? Pi r into r. So this will be pi r square. So this is the area of circle. So this is how we arrived at the area of circle as pi r square. Okay, I hope now you know that how the area of circle has been calculated as pi r square. So this is the process by which we can do this. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such wonderful videos.